Everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update your graphics drivers on Windows. So this is to speed up performance generally and to have updated drivers. That way you can play games and use apps on full speed. To begin, we're going to open up our Windows and we're going to open up the Windows Start and we're going to be writing Device Manager. Should be this right here. We're going to open it up and it should bring us to this page right here. From here, we have multiple options. This is our desktop name. We have audios, batteries, Bluetooth, camera, computer, disk drives, display adapters, all these things, but don't touch any of these as you could mess up your system specs. What we're simply going to be doing is finding the display adapters shown as here, bringing it down, and as you can see, I have two graphics cards installed, the Intel R HD Graphics 620 and the nvidia GeForce 940MX. I'll be showing for both how to do it. So we're going to double tap driver and we're going to be pressing on update driver. From here, this page will pop up. You want to write search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device are already installed, so we don't need to update them. Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. You can press that. So that's for that. Let's go to nvidia update driver. Hold on, sorry, and search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers are already installed as well. So that is how to generally update your drivers. If you have, if you do have to update them, you simply press on update and it should automatically update it for you. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, we're posting daily, so be sure to check our channel out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.